everyone, Namaste. We are in Malad West, in Sundarnagar near Inorbit. I'm going to show you around a flagship store which is unique and has 100% all natural organic products. Let's look at the daily grocery needs. We have an entire range of certified 100% all natural grocery products. We have red rice, brown rice and black rice as well. These are unpolished, high in dietary fiber and loaded with antioxidants which will help boost your immunity. Let's look at kolam rice. This is completely 100% natural. You've got sesame, til, mustard, cumin, coriander, cassia powder, rasam powder, all of that put together. Also, let's look at the organic flax seeds that we have. These are grown without synthetic pesticides and GMOs. It's a natural source of omega-3 alpha-linolenic fatty acid. Let's look at the Nimbat pink salt and rock salt powder, which is also called as Sendhava meat. This is the Himalayan rock salt crystal. This is found in the foothills of Himalayas. Extremely healthy and natural. The different types of pulses that we have. We've got chickpea, black eye pulse, urad dal, rajma, all of that put together. We also had the whole wheat atta and the chana powder as well. Sorghum flour is nothing but the jowari flour. Let's look at different types of sugars that we have. Brown sugar, bura sugar, natural white sugar. It is 100% gluten-free, vegan and it has no additives. Let me draw your attention to the ghee that we have. And it's a very special ghee. It's A2 Desi cow ghee. It's made from the Samwal cow. It's absolutely non-GMO, lactose-free, gluten-free, 100% certified cow's ghee. Let's look at the wide range of variety of cooking food oils that we have. First, the virgin coconut oil. It's completely natural, while it's good for your heart and skin as well. Let's come to an exciting section of green teas and coffee beans. It's Tulsi Indian Rose Green Tea. It tastes great, it cheers you up, relieves stress, and rich. Om Shanti Green Tea. It tastes great. It helps insomniacs have a peaceful sleep. It relieves you of your stress and it's completely loaded with antioxidants.
Hello everyone. I'm Preeti Thakre and I'm a consulting nutritionist and clinical dietitian. आज मैं आपको ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहती हूँ। ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स वो होते हैं जिनका एग्रीकल्चर फ्री ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर, केमिकल, इंसेक्टिसाइड, पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड GMO से होता है। आजकल जितने भी हमें प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं वो हाइब्रिड क्वालिटीज़ के होते हैं बिकॉज पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा है, कंजप्शन ज़्यादा है। सो सब चीज़ को नेचुरली ग्रो करना इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। जो हम हाइब्रिड क्वालिटी की वेजिटेबल्स खा रहे हैं, फ्रूट्स खा रहे हैं, ग्रेन्स खा रहे हैं, उसमें विटामिन, मिनरल, प्रोटीन्स और एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स बहुत कम होता है। तो ये सप्लीमेंट्स जो हैं ये जितने भी हमारे हर्ब्स होते हैं उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट होता है। इट्स द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द एक्सट्रैक्ट. So for an example, we have ashwagandha. So ashwagandha, it boosts up your energy levels, it boosts up your stamina, it increases your testosterone levels, which improves your fertility and which improves your muscle mass. Next product is giloy. सो गिलोय को हम आयुर्वेदा में अमृत भी बोलते हैं विच मीन्स रूट ऑफ इमोर्टैलिटी. गिलोय इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर इम्यूनिटी. अभी जैसे कि आपको पता है कोरोना पैंडमिक चल रहा है तो आप इसका कंजप्शन लीजिए 2 tablets once in a day and it removes toxins and purifies your blood and it helps in fighting your liver infections and urinary tract infections. हमारा दूसरा प्रोडक्ट है आंवला C+. आंवला इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर इम्यूनिटी बिकॉज इट इज़ द रिचेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन C and it's very good for your hair, for your skin. This is moringa. It is very good for immunity and it is good for people who are suffering from arthritis, joint and inflammation. This is skin tone. So इसमें टर्मरिक होता है जो आपकी एजिंग को डिले करता है एंड इसमें एक नीम होता है जो आपके एक्ने को भी प्रिवेंट करता है. दिस इज़ फॉर पीपल हु वांट्स टू lose some weight. It will fasten up your metabolism. It has Garcinia cambogia, and this is Herbocal. So this is calcium supplement. It is very good for people or females who are pregnant and who are lactating mothers, and very good for patients whose calcium levels are very low.
तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे ग्रीन टीज़ है, तुलसी ग्रीन टी। तो तुलसी इसमें जो है वो हमारे इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट और स्ट्रेस रिलीविंग में ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है। और ग्रीन टी जो है वो एक कैटेचिन जो का प्रॉफिट ये होता है कि वो हमारे जो बॉडी में फ़ैट होता है वो फैट को बर्न करने का काम करता है। ये तुलसी ओरिजिनल है। तुलसी ओरिजिनल, इसमें 3 टाइप की तुलसी है, रामा तुलसी, कृष्णा तुलसी, वना तुलसी। तो जैसा वो बॉडी का इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट और स्ट्रेस रिलीविंग के लिए काम करता है। कोविड-19 को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारी कंपनी ने एक इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर बनाया है जो कि है आयुस्कॉच। इसमें सिनामन, ब्लैक पेपर, जिंजर, ये 3 चीज़ें हैं।
I have palak paratha mix. All you have to do is just add hot water as per the recipe given. And there you go, in minutes you have an amazing, tasty, healthy snack. What it does to you is, it boosts immunity, it improves your bone and teeth health, and it prevents asthma. So there's good news for all you fitness enthusiasts. Look at the all yummy max protein bars, and this one is the new one with the green tea extract and a whole different variety of different ready to eat stuff, which your kids, by the way, will really love. So talking about kids, let's look at different yummy variety of puffs as well, which are made of jawar. It is complete health food. Plus moving on to moong chips, which are high protein. To complement the high protein chip snack, we've got various dips as well. Let's look at the healthy nut mix, and it also comes with a whole lot of berry mix, which are extremely healthy for your skin as well as for your heart.
मी एक रष्टिक पौष्टिक ब्रँड एक्सपिरियन्स केलेलं, म्हणून मी त्यांना जस्ट सांगितलं की या ब्रँडचे प्रॉडक्ट्स अवेलेबल करू शकता का. विदिन 24 आवर्स मला फोन आला की हे प्रॉडक्ट्स आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी अवेलेबल केले आहेत, आणि त्यांनी जे मला पाहिजे होते ते त्याच्याऐवजी त्याच ब्रँडचे अजूनही काही किती प्रॉडक्ट्स अवेलेबल केलेले, आणि दॅट वॉज व्हेरी स्पेशल, नाईस एक्सपिरियन्स.
Regular user of organic products, and somehow I've found this particular store. They are really fresh. They are farm products, and I highly recommend natural and organic products from here.
ऑर्गेनिक कल्चर में हम रेगुलर कस्टमर अब हो गए हैं. हमें इस शॉप के बारे में जो अच्छी चीज़ लगती है वो है कि इन्होंने अपना क्वालिटी मेंटेन किया हुआ है, और जितने भी आइटम्स ये ऐड कर रहे हैं वो सारी चीज़ें वो हैं जिन्हें हम अपने एक शॉप में देखना चाहते हैं या उन्हें लेना चाहते हैं.
So these are all dal based, like natural.
Really next gen organic shop, and here I am looking, this is a one stop solution for everything, routine things or fitness things or any other stuffs which is required for day to day consumption.
I'm Arun Nayalkar. I'm a textile technologist from VJTI. My son, Mr. Vikram Nayalkar, who has had over 20 years of rich experience in marketing. I'm particularly very pleased because he has taken up this venture, which was his dream for a very long time. And I wish him every success in this endeavor.
Let's meet the owner and founder of Organic Culture, Vikram Nayalkar, a seasoned corporate professional who's worked in the FMCG sector for the last 20 years. With that solid experience in marketing and sales and distribution, he has now embarked upon an entrepreneurial journey to make a difference in this space.
You would have seen the complete range of organic products that we have at our store. We also stock a lot of healthy food items that may be part of your daily life. We would want each and every one of you to visit our website, which is mentioned in the description. I would just urge each one of you to stay fit and stay healthy.
I love the organic culture.